Hey everyone, my name is Jose Ortega. I'm in the ECE 173 class. I'm going to explain A0Q1 first and then A0Q2 at the end. So let's start with A0Q1 first. So basically, this code is a simple C program that calculates and prints the final velocity of an object. Um, Using the initial velocity, acceleration, and time variables. If we break it down, we first start with the in main. So this is a starting point with the program. Every C program must have a main function. It's just the entry point for the execution. So now we go into the variable declarations. This game we start with the initial velocity. We have the acceleration, we have the time, and then we have the final velocity. After that, and when we have the variable initialization, so we give values to the variable. So um, for the initial velocity, we have 10. For the acceleration, we have 5. And then for the time, we have 2. So after that, we have the calculation of the final velocity, which is basically the formula. So this calculation is based on the kinematic equation. So this is the final velocity equal the initial velocity plus the acceleration times time. So now we're gonna go ahead and print the result. So using the printf function to display the calculated final velocity. In this case, the %d, which is the placeholder, is used to insert the value of the final velocity variable into the string. At the end, we have the return 0. So this line basically indicates that the main function has finished executing. So the value 0 is just returned to the operating system, indicating that the program executed successfully. So if we go ahead here and run the program, we close this here, it's gonna go, the final velocity is 20. We're gonna do the math, it's 20. So now we're gonna go ahead and do A0Q2, which is basically the same. We have the main, which is the every program, like I said, must have it. We have all your variable declarations, which is the acceleration, the time, the final velocity, and the initial velocity. In this case, all variables are a little bit different. The initial velocity is -6, the acceleration is 4, the time is 10, and now we go ahead with the calculation of the final velocity, which, like I said, is the formula. The final velocity is equal to the initial velocity plus the acceleration times the time. So we use the printf function to display the calculated final velocity. In this case, like I said, the %d placeholder used to insert the value of the final velocity available into the string. We have again the return 0, so indicates that the main function has finished executing. We go ahead and we run the program, and then we close this. It's 34. I did the math by hand, and it does match my results for A0Q2. Thank you.